Everyone and welcome. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to cancel a transfer or a Remitly by using the mobile app. This is for iOS or Android devices. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is to launch the app. Don't forget to enter your username and password. And once you're in, you have to choose the transfer you want to cancel from the list on the home screen. Next, you tap on cancel transfer and then review the cancellation details and confirm. Don't forget, before you can cancel the transfer, you have to select the transfer you want to cancel and then tap on cancel transfer. So once you've done that, review the cancellation details and confirm. Now, note that Remitly allows cancellation only if the transfer has not been processed or delivered to the recipient. If you need to cancel the transfer, act quickly. That means cancel it as soon as possible to avoid processing. And verify the transfer status. Verify transfer status before attempting to cancel. Now, if you've cancelled it successfully, you receive a refund for the cancelled transfer minus any applicable fees. But note that some transfers might incur cancellation fees depending on the transfer type and destination.